Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I have a Aldi grocery haul. I haven't had one big one in a minute now. Today I spent $145. This is the first haul. Ashley Cottrell went off to school yesterday, to college, and so that's gonna make our grocery budget go down definitely. But I have a lot because the other boys are going back to school, and I probably still have to go back and get like some things to make lunch for Josiah. JJ's gonna eat his lunch at school. I did ask him, he's going to high school, so you know how that is. So let's get started with this haul today. Also, I will do a meal plan at the end, and I do have some free printable meal plan sheets, 2 different designs that you guys can just print out and use for free. I will make sure I put those links down below. And then also I came up with a 6-month planner. Really, you can do any, you kind of maybe can cover up the dates. I can't remember quite how the months are on there, but it's also a free download as well. But I have a new planner, a digital planner as well, that's called a Mom Life Planner, and I kind of put everything together that I need in a planner, such as a meal planner, fitness, I'm trying to think off the top of my head, guys, a grocery list, a month at a glance, bills and finances and budget, a to-do list, hourly, all of that, and I'll put that down in the description box, and you can check that out if you want to purchase that. So stay tuned to the end of this video for something special, and let's get started with this haul. Okay, so I picked up some baby carrots, and then I got some cinnamon crunch squares, and I haven't picked up cereal, if you guys watch all the time, in a while from Aldi. I used to all the time, and a lot of my Instacart customers, I have been doing Instacart part-time. Was trying to do it full-time, but it's a lot. As a little side hustle to bring in some extra income, and most of my customers, they get cereals and stuff like that. So I asked JJ what type of cereals he likes, and he said the cinnamon crunch squares, the frosted flakes, and the fruit rounds. I know Josiah likes those. Jason likes the frosted flakes. I picked up some spinach to make like some almonds, the premium lemonade. This lemonade has a lot of sugar, but it's good. They do tend to drink it really fast, so that's why I get 2 at a time. It's like $1.29. I wanted some salami to add to sandwiches, but I'm kind of getting burnt out of the sandwiches. Like we had that all summer long. I got some pepperoni to make like a snack. I didn't get any almonds though, but like cheese, raisins. Sometimes at night I feel like I need a little snack, and anyway, yeah. So pepperoni, cheese, almonds, what else? Maybe some grape tomatoes, some raisins. Not all, but that's the different things I'll put on my plate. And one's on the tip of my tongue, pickles. So pickles is like 0 points with Weight Watchers. Okay, for a recipe, the green onions and the zucchini, I had this the other day on the grill. It was really good. Even JJ liked it, but he said he didn't like how it was mushy. But that was like, was it the second day or the first day? I think it was the second day. He had like leftovers, but I just told him that's just how zucchini is. You can kind of make it crunchy, but you know. I also got some of the sugar snap peas. It's the first time I got this from Aldi. And then I got the fresh green beans, and then the spring mix. I like to just have that on hand to, if we decide to have tacos, to make a salad, or to add to a sandwich, whatever. I got a broccoli, and then my cousin also, which I'll talk about in the meal plan. Well, I'll talk about it now, but showing the meal plan, I'll make sure I link that below. She posted on her Facebook page, Tasty. You all guys know about Tasty, and they show how they make the food really quickly. They had these bowl rice recipes with chicken, and she posted that, and I was like, I'm gonna try that, and she said she was gonna try it too next week. So some of the things, like they had mushrooms in it, the pineapple I may want to try, but I wrote down all the ingredients, but I'm probably just going to use things that I know that we'll eat, like the sugar snap peas. Like JJ may not necessarily eat the mushrooms. I'm trying to think what else. The purple cabbage is okay. I can't really think off the top of my head the other things were in it. But it was broccoli, the string beans, and the carrots. And they kind of sauteed it all together, made like a teriyaki rice bowl. So I'll make sure I link that below. Let's see, the kettle chips and the veggie chips. I wanted to try these. A lot of my customers, they get veggie chips or they get veggie sticks. And I sat there with the Weight Watchers app and I scanned like how many points there were or how many you could get with the points, and the veggies weren't bad, the kettle wasn't bad, but surprisingly the blue tortilla chips were kind of, I think you only got 9 chips for like 5 points. I thought it was ridiculous. So anyway, moving on. Okay, so I also got some green grapes because they were 99 cents a pound, and then I needed more peanut butter. Control was going through this like crazy. Some hickory brown sugar for their chicken nuggets, and then I'm gonna make barbecue chicken, some chili for hot dogs one day, some onion powder, some parsley flakes. I needed some more, some hot sauce, and then the sea salt caramel almonds. I love these, but I may stop picking these up, so I just need to stop. The grape tomatoes. I got a bag of the baking potatoes, so we have baked potatoes, and then also I wanted some red potatoes. I was following somebody on Instagram, and she like cut up the red potatoes and like had it as a side for breakfast. But I also like to roast the red potatoes like an EVOO, put some garlic salt, some pepper, some, I can't think what else, y'all. Garlic salt, some pepper, maybe some parsley, all those different seasonings on it, and toss it around and put it in the oven. Let's see, I picked up some syrup, some potato puffs, some seasoned fried French fries, and let's see, over here we have some 80/20 ground beef. I do want to try the grass-fed. I think I said that a long time ago. So I have a lot of customers that get that. I got some chicken wings. These were on sale this week for $1.79 a pound, so it was like $4.90. And then you guys know I don't get, not on purpose, but just the price. I always get usually the frozen chicken. I don't even know why, but anyway, probably because I just get sticker shock. But when I was getting this a lot from my customers, I noticed that it wasn't as bad as I thought of the prices. And so anyway, this was $5.94, and this will be for like that teriyaki bowls. So that's why I picked this up. This is the chicken breast tenderloin. Oh, also what I was going to say, what I was telling Jason or explaining and JJ, that now that I do Instacart, I tend to go in Aldi before, and I would just go to my go-to items and not really look around because I was busy thinking about the price or worried about how much I was going to spend, and I wouldn't look around. So now with Instacart, of course I have to look around and find things for customers. And sorry I'm bringing up Instacart a lot, but it makes me open up my eyes to try new things, and it also look around the store and see what else is there. I didn't realize they had so many different types of milk at Aldi until I had to get it for customers. So I just took my time, I browsed the store, and I saw all these different, well, I already know what was there now because I go in there all the time, but it was just more relaxing. So, and also I want to tell you guys, Wednesday, if you don't already know, Thursday, Wednesday is the best day to go to the grocery store. Usually it's stocked. And I don't know, for some reason people just don't go to the grocery store. It wasn't that many people, and the best time is usually around 3 o'clock to 4, like that. So that's what I noticed. Sunday is busy. Monday is not a good day because usually everything is gone. Okay, the toaster tarts, the frosted brown sugar. JJ asked for this. I've been trying not to drink soda, and today may be the 6th day of no soda. So, of course, I've done it before after surgery, but I'm really trying to not do that right now. and I'm proud of myself for not doing it. So I need caffeine, which I was trying to do no caffeine, but I needed some caffeine. So I've been drinking coffee. So I needed some more of the stevia to put in the coffee. Some California raisins, some movie theater popcorn, the sweet and salty nut cashews. I haven't picked this up in a while. I picked up 2 boxes. The mini peanut butter crackers for Saya. Jason's cookies because he's off. JJ did want some of these granola bars. He's really picky about. I think he kind of has a slight, I don't know, I don't want to say a nut allergy, but he said it makes his throat itch. But he likes the chocolate chip granola bars. He also asked for the marshmallows and stars. So we'll see if he eats this. Josiah's on his waffle kick, but they may have already been. I think the big boys were already on a waffle kick. I got some of these real bacon pieces. 2 of these for like an omelet or a salad or just whatever. Some sharp cheddar cheese. I got some large cooked shell shrimp. Some New York sharp cheddar cheese. The extra sharp Wisconsin cheddar cheese. Some bacon. I also got some Black Angus bacon and cheddar cheese. And I'm laughing because I don't think I hauled this one day and I put it on the grill. So watch if you put this on the grill. I put it on low. It was cooking really slow. I came in the house for a second. I looked outside, y'all, and the grill was in flame. Of course, it has happened before, but this time it was bad. It was so bad I had to take my glasses off because I thought it was gonna melt, and I had to stand back. I had to go get the salt. And these burgers was burnt up. I was so mad because it was like $6 wasted. So I was like, that was dinner. So what if you didn't have extra money to go get more burgers or more dinner? Then you would have been up the creek. So I did go back out, but when I went that day, they didn't have any. So I don't know what we ate that day. 2% fat-free milk. I got 3 eggs because they're 58 cents. Some sharp shredded cheddar cheese. 2 things of honey wheat bread. It's because we already have bread. Some coleslaw. We have hot dogs one day. I have the regular classic hot dogs and then the beef hot dogs. I wanted to get the uncured kind. I don't know the difference, but I noticed a lot of my customers sometimes get them. So, but I noticed the price. So I was like, try that again another day. The nuggets for them. And then the rolls, hamburger buns, and hot dog buns. And then I got ice cream sandwiches. And I didn't never haul the cookie and cream ice cream sandwiches. They may be gone in your guys' store. It was like the Aldi one-time thing or whatever. But we got those too. So guys, if you stuck to the end of this video, I would say, let's see. This is going to be a giveaway. And I'm going to put a keyword in here so I know that you have watched to the end. So make sure that you follow all the directions down in the description box. The keyword, make sure you list that in your comment. That will be part of the requirement. And the word is inspire. So make sure you write that word in a comment plus any other directions that are down in the description box to get the $25 Aldi gift card for this video. And then I'll put all the rules, all directions, and make sure you follow them, because some people, they'll do some of it and not all of it, or they won't be on Instagram. And don't try to get over on me, because I am Inspector Gadget. I figure stuff out. I figure it out. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll put the meal plan at the end. Bye bye. Okay guys, so the meal plan, sorry I didn't write super straight, is barbecue chicken wings with string beans and baked potato. This is the meal plan sheet that is size for the Happy Planner, and I need to put a border around here. But also it has the ingredients over here, and I didn't put any ingredients over here. So really for the chicken teriyaki bowls, I need to put some of the ingredients over here. Burgers and fries on Tuesday, tacos, question mark for Friday, usually it's whatever. out to eat Saturday or leftovers, and then Sunday spaghetti and tossed salad. My budget was $120. I spent $143.53, and I'm not sure how much I saved because I didn't go to like Food Line, House Food Line, or Harris Teeter, or Publix or something. They'll tell you at the end how much you saved. And then I didn't use any coupons on this. So that's what we're having for dinner, and it may be switched around. A lot of the things like the chicken teriyaki, some of these things I'll share in a what's for dinner or what we have for dinner video.